Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You stop work now if you don't have certified training. Airbags are explosive deployed safety devices. Improper handling risks injury and legal issues. Once the vehicle is stabilized, make safe choices. Turn off ignition, and if you know how and it's safe, disconnect the 12V battery to prevent accidental deployment. Do not touch the airbag module, clock spring, or SRS wiring. Instead, photograph the damage, note the airbag indicator status, and contact your insurer and the vehicle manufacturer for authorized repair instructions and approved shops. You'll need certified technicians to complete the job correctly. Once the car is towed, insist on an authorized collision center or dealer that follows OEM SRS procedures. Make sure they plan to replace the inflator, airbag module, any affected sensors, and the clock spring if listed by the manufacturer. These components are not generic. Ask the shop to use OEM parts and to perform post-repair diagnostics, airbag system resets, and sensor recalibration. Keep records and the repair order for warranty and insurance purposes. You must verify the work before driving extensively. When the shop reports completion, confirm they ran full SRS diagnostics and cleared trouble codes. The airbag warning light should stay off. Make sure they performed any required calibration or sensor relearn procedures and completed a short test drive to validate system behavior. If the SRS light returns or any warning appears, return immediately for reinspection and insist on documented corrective actions. For your safety and liability, keep all repair receipts and OEM part numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.